Ever wondered how to elevate your cooking skills straight from your home kitchen? Today we'll uncover the secrets of Michelin-starred chef Gordon Ramsay. From mastering the art of chopping to quick fruit ripening techniques, from removing chili heat to perfectly cooking potatoes, we'll delve into the culinary wisdom of a world-renowned chef. So whether you're an aspiring foodie or a seasoned home cook, these tips are bound to add a touch of finesse to your kitchen routine. Get ready to transform your cooking skills with these simple yet effective techniques. Gordon's secret to aromatic herbs: stack, roll, and chop without bruising, keeping all that fresh flavor packed in your dishes. This method is effective because it prevents the herbs' essential oils from being wasted on your chopping board. Instead, they stay within the herbs, ready to burst forth in your cooking. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can transform your dishes from good to great. So, the next time you're chopping herbs, remember to stack, roll, and chop. Remember, it's all about technique. Practice makes perfect. Impatient with unripe fruit? Here's a quick tip to speed up the ripening process. Just place your fruit in a brown paper bag along with a ripe banana. The banana releases ethylene gas, a natural plant hormone that accelerates ripening. So, no more waiting days for that avocado to ripen. It's a simple but effective kitchen hack that can save you time and ensure you always have ripe fruit on hand. With this trick, you'll always have ripe fruit ready for your culinary creations. Got that chili burn? A squeeze of fresh lemon juice on your fingers can work wonders. This trick works like magic because of the citric acid in the lemon juice. It quickly neutralizes the spicy capsaicin oil from the chilies, providing instant relief from the burning sensation. So, next time you're chopping up some fiery chilies for your favorite dish, remember to have a lemon handy. Keep this tip in mind next time you're handling chilies. It's a lifesaver. For potatoes that are just right, start cold. This ensures a perfectly cooked center without the outsides falling apart. This technique revolves around the science of cooking. Potatoes, like all vegetables, are made up of cells that break down with heat. Starting cold allows for gradual, even cooking from the outside in, maintaining the potato's structure while achieving a desired softness inside. This method can improve the texture of your potatoes, making them a star of any dish. With this technique, you'll master the art of cooking potatoes to perfection. Mince garlic like a pro. A dash of coarse salt not only aids in breaking it down but also keeps the flavor intact. The salt acts as an abrasive, helping to crush the garlic more effectively. Meanwhile, it also draws out the garlic's aromatic juices, enhancing its natural flavor. This isn't just mincing. It's a culinary technique that transforms garlic into a potent ingredient, ready to infuse your dishes with its distinctive zest. Armed with this technique, you're now ready to handle garlic like a seasoned chef. Transform your scrambled eggs from the mundane to the creamy dreamy, with Gordon's technique of patience and a touch of creme fraiche. It's all about the low and slow approach, constantly stirring the eggs on a medium to low heat. This method creates a rich, velvety texture that's simply irresistible, and just before the eggs are fully cooked, add a dollop of creme fraiche. This lowers the temperature, slowing the cooking process, and adds an extra layer of creaminess. Try this technique and take your scrambled eggs to a whole new level. These are just a few of the cooking secrets that make Gordon Ramsay a world-renowned chef. From mastering the art of chopping to creating the creamiest scrambled eggs, each tip opens a door to culinary excellence. Remember, the secret to great cooking lies not just in the ingredients you use, but also in the techniques you apply. Happy cooking! Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. See link in the description.